Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Wednesday, January 5th. Stocks on Wall Street seem to be cooling off after their best December performance in nearly 20 years. Futures are pointing to a lower open as investors digest some data on the labor market and look forward to Friday's big government employment report. ADP reported that 297,000 jobs were added last month, much more than expected. It was the third straight monthly increase and the biggest jump since 2007. That follows a report by outplacement firm Challenger Gray & Christmas, showing that U.S. companies laid off 32,000 workers in December and nearly 530,000 for all of 2010. The annual number is the lowest since 1997 and represents a 59% decline in announced job cuts from the previous year. The data may boost optimism heading into Friday's reading, which is expected to show a gain of 140,000 non-farm payrolls last month.
Be sure to keep a close watch on oil prices today. Right now, crude is falling about $1 to less than $88.50 a barrel. The move follows a big drop last night after a report that U.S. gasoline demand plunged to its lowest level in 5 years because of the huge snowstorm in the Northeast. Energy prices will be back in focus this afternoon when the government releases its reading of fuel inventories for the week. Meanwhile, gold prices are holding steady this morning after their biggest drop in about 6 months yesterday. The precious metal fell 3% to about $1,380 an ounce as investors grew more confident about the global economy, making gold less attractive. Speaking of metals, the world's largest aluminum producer, Alcoa, is dropping 2% in the pre-market after a stock downgrade by Citigroup.
On the M&A front, Qualcomm is confirming its purchase of semiconductor firm Atheros Communications. The $3.1 billion price tag values Atheros at $45 a share, a more than 20% premium over its closing price on Tuesday. The shares are nearly matching that purchase price in pre-market trading, and Qualcomm is slightly higher. Before Qualcomm confirmed the deal, Jefferies said Intel may make a rival bid for Atheros, but FBR Capital played down that possibility. Lazard downgraded Atheros from buy to hold on news of the buyout.
In earnings news, shares of Mosaic are jumping 2.5% after its quarterly numbers topped expectations. The company was able to charge higher prices for its agricultural fertilizers, boosting profit. Rival Bunge is also higher in the pre-market after CLSA upgraded that stock to a buy. On the other side of the spectrum, shares of Family Dollar stores are tumbling 8%. The retailer reported 10% profit growth in its latest quarter, but fell well short of Wall Street estimates. A couple other retailers may be in focus today. December sales at BJ's Wholesale Club missed expectations, sending that stock down more than 1% in the pre-market. The company also said it's closing 5 more stores on top of the nearly 200 it's already shut down. Meanwhile, Walgreens reported that its same-store sales rose 7.5% last month.
Analyst actions may move some other stocks today. Disney is set to open modestly higher after Goldman Sachs added the stock to its conviction buy list. Goldman also upgraded General Mills to a buy, sending that stock higher in the pre-market. But Colgate-Palmolive and Clorox are both losing ground following downgrades from UBS and Deutsche Bank, respectively. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.